Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. I first started talking at English language teaching conferences 25 years ago now, back in 1998, and ever since then I've written at least one talk a year about different aspects of language teaching and about language. And I was talking to a friend over the weekend about this, and she was asking me, how can you manage to keep producing so many talks? And to be honest, in many ways it's basically driven by a dread fear I have of being seen as a bit limited, of ending up just churning out the same old talk in different variations over and over again, of banging on about the same old thing at conferences around the world over and over again. Basically, I worry about being seen as a bit of a one-trick pony. If you describe a person or a thing as being a one-trick pony, you basically mean they're only good at one particular thing. So it might be used in a sort of positive way. So you might say something about a musician or a writer or an artist or a comedian where you say something like, he's no one-trick pony. You know, don't get the wrong idea. He's not a one-trick pony. There's far more to what he does than just the one song, the one joke, the one book, the one talk for which he's best known. Companies sometimes use it to talk about themselves. So maybe when a company starts out, they're very, very limited and very niche. And as they go on, they branch out. So they might say, for example, yeah, we did used to be a bit of a one-trick pony before, but now we're aiming to provide a far wider range of services. And it's also often used as a criticism. So you might say, for example, this government, they're fast becoming a one-trick pony. Tax cuts seem to be their answer to every single problem. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please do share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use one-trick pony.